Hi there, this is Mark Espy once again with MarketTamer.com, and we're looking at the SPX, the Standard & Poor's 500 Large Cap Index. Must remind everybody once again, this is only for educational purposes. Please don't go out and rush out and buy something based upon what you see in this video. You might notice here at the very top we have an arrow pointing to the left. That is merely to indicate that there is some fairly prominent resistance that comes from 2005 and 2006. We have a fairly consistent channel that was going on in those years, so that should in fact provide some decent resistance. You've noticed after this fairly ballistic parabolic up move here that we've now begun to do this, and we've moved into a sideways channel. You might even consider it to be a flag of sorts. So it's rounding. Now it could continue up and break out of here. Again, my sense is that we're going to break it down and then retest this level right here at 1150, which was prominent resistance, now becomes new support. We'll see if it does its job by holding at that level. There's also a swing high from just above 1100 that needs to be reckoned with, and then we have this spike low at 1044. Have this low we need to be aware of, which is at 1030 as well. Now we have the MACD sort of rounding over here, and at the same time we have a bearish divergence in the MACD histogram, which indicates to me it's further confirmation in my mind that we're going to turn around and come back down and retest lower levels. The volume has been rather consistent as compared to the Dow Jones Industrial Average. It was fairly prominent, and you could see that the reduction in the volume was fairly evident. It is not so much that in the SPX. The stochastics is really not doing anything for me in terms of telling me what's going to happen and what the direction may be. So my best guess is we're going to, as I indicated last week, that this has run out of steam. There's not a lot of market participation in wanting to continue to push it higher, although this whole move up from early February has been a low volume affair. So, but this is the first time that we've begun to move sideways in this fashion, and we are due for a pullback to retest this area at least at about 1150. Okay, we're going to go ahead and move on and take a look at the comp Q.